These creamy chicken meatballs are tender, juicy meatballs simmered in a rich, velvety sauce packed with flavor. Whether you're serving them on a bed of mashed potatoes, a side of white rice or pasta, this dish is guaranteed to become a new family favorite. You can find the link for the recipe in the info box below or at sweetysalado.com/en. To make the meatballs, we're going to mix everything in a large bowl, starting with ground chicken. We're going to add panko breadcrumbs. For flavor, we're going to add Parmesan cheese. I love using freshly grated Parmesan cheese. We're also going to add 1 large egg. This is to bind all the ingredients. We're going to season with Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can also use fresh onion and garlic if you don't want to use powder. And of course, we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. And using the best tools we have in the kitchen, we're going to mix everything together until all of the ingredients are well blended. And now we're going to shape the meatballs. To make things easier and evenly, I love using this very inexpensive cookie dough scoop so that they're all the same size. We're going to shape them into very small balls. You're going to get about 20. And then we're going to place them in a lined baking sheet, either with parchment paper or aluminum foil. And we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then we take them out of the oven and set them aside. And one of the reasons I love using non-stick aluminum foil is so that I can get this wonderful golden brown crust on the meatballs. To make the white sauce, we're going to melt butter in a large skillet or pan over medium heat. Once it's melted, we're going to add all-purpose flour and we're going to simmer this for about 2 minutes. And then very slowly, we're going to add chicken broth or chicken stock. I love using unsalted chicken stock, and this is going to give it a ton of flavor. To make it nice and creamy, we're going to add either half and half or heavy cream, depending on how thick you want the sauce to be. For flavor, we're going to add the same seasonings that we used in the meatballs, which are Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. And of course, we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. We're going to give this a really good stir and bring it to a slow simmer. Then we're going to add the baked meatballs and we're going to simmer them in the sauce for about 5 minutes or until they're fully cooked. And one thing I'd like to do is bathe them with the sauce so that they can absorb that wonderful flavor as they're simmering. And once they're ready, you can serve them with your favorite side dish. I love serving them on a nice bed of mashed potatoes with a little bit of more sauce on top, but you could also serve them with a nice side of rice or pasta.